The clank of old typewriters wafts through the air at this modern-day coffee shop.
I did have someone ask specifically for a poem for them to propose to their partner, and I just thought that was really cute.
Lacole's been writing poems since she was a teenager. She says there's something about the feel of this old Remington and that face-to-face contact that's missing in this age of digital and downloads.
I'm going to look at the camera. This is the experience. I'm like, okay, what would you like a poem about? And then we just sit and look at each other and make extended eye contact. And they're looking at me, I'm looking at them.
And no matter where the Typewriter Rodeo goes, a crowd is sure to show up. Adults and kids alike.
Now what are you writing?
A typewritten tale that'll last a lifetime.
Stamp it with our stamp and say, here's your poem.